What's up guys, AK with another DIY project. I'd like to build greenhouse. We in the backyard of our house. We moved here 2005, averaging people not taking care of the backyard or front yard from like 3 to 5 years when they move to new place. Can be old house, new house. New house usually grass will be better because they just put it. Older houses need some work. I agree. That took me about 3 4 years when I start working in the backyard, take care about grass. So now I'd like to build greenhouse here. First, just a bed and extend it over there, maybe what, 7 feet, 8 feet, like that. So this is basement. Train room will be right there, and walk out basement that way. Original whatever bushes, and of course they're not looking good. They look really bad. That's how they coming in the spring. So I maintained them for years, but now this guy kind of quit, and I'm just tired with this. Done. At the end of the video next time I'll show you some tips. So tip for today's video is that nice saw. I got it as a just tool only, and the nice part, about 5 years ago I bought nice trimmer, DEWALT. I'm like DEWALT guy because mostly stores they have DEWALT. That's only reason, and they have good technology. So this 20 volts flex volt 9 AH will take care, so you can work for a long time. It's about like half an hour took me to cut all that stuff, and this will be I'm going to finish probably in another 10 minutes. Here I go. Just need to figure out how to pull these roots, and we'll start from there. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.